cross, up, home. No, down, cross, up, home. Down, cross, up, home. Down, cross, home. Down, cross, up, home. Down, cross, up, home. Okay, now up and down with the anti-spin in the middle. Okay, start down here. Go up top and hold it there. Now go to the side and hold it there. Yes, then come down here. Then up, out, down, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out, down. Yes, up, out, down, up, out, down. Okay, let's start it from the top now. So we'll do what we just did again from the top. So you start in the top position, you go out, then you go down, then you go up, then out, then down, then up, out, down. Okay, now I'm going to go up as one movement, then I'm going to go out and down as one movement, then up as one movement, out and down as one movement. Now up, now try one full cycle where you go out, down, up, out, down, up, out, down, up. Oops, I forgot my up, sorry. Out, down, up, out, down, up. And now, up and out and down, up and out.